Good morning to everybody. The FutureTrend channel is again with you, and we start our analysis of commodity currencies for the date of 15 May 2018. As you can see, the strong dollar story is back into full force, and at the moment we see that rising United States Treasury yields continue to support the United States currency. From that point of view, probably the corrective rebound of major currencies, probably a kind of consolidation in the price of the United States dollar, we've seen during previous trading week, means that after a small pause, the United States dollar is back to its underlying bull trend. Here the situation remains quite dangerous and quite negative for example, for the Australian dollar, which is after yesterday's rebound to the level of 75.60, 75.70, is back to the downside and trading around 75.11 at the moment. Here the situation remains negative while the pair trading below its 2018 downtrend allocated around 77.10. Only in case of a closing above this trend line we will reevaluate the situation, and only in that case we could see some higher levels for the Australian dollar. The same applies for the New Zealand dollar, which is sharply lower now, and as you can see, it registered a new lows of the year. Here the situation still remains quite bearish for the Kiwi, and next technical support located around the 2017 November lows, registered at 0.6780. Anyway, despite of overall United States dollar strength, we suggest that the market overextended its move against the New Zealand currency right now. So we will use a possible downtick to the level of 0.68, initiating a new long trade recommendation with a stop below 67.80. As regarding the dollar Canada, here we closed our short trade recommendation initiated at 129.90. We were stopped profit at 128.15. Overall, here we suggest that Canadian dollar has everything in its arms to continue its path to the upside, but to really improve its technical perspective, the dollar Canada needs firstly to break below its immediate uptrend line located around 26.30. Also here, not far from this level, lies moving average 200 daily line. So from a longer trade, from a longer term point of view, the pair should break below this zone to improve its longer term downside potential. And finally, some words about the dollar ruble, taking into account that the United States dollar is back into force. We suggest that the ruble will open on the weaker side. That means that probably we already reached an interim low point, an interim support, which located around 61.40, and the pair could come back to the upside. But once again, overall here the situation remains rather muted, while the pair trading between 60 and 65. So we suggest that it's logically will be to use the threshold of this range, for example, to buy the dollar ruble closer to 60 barre, to 60.50 barre. We will buy, by the way, at 60.60 with a stop of 30 points. But at the same time, I suggest that also it's rather interesting will be to sell the currency on a possible uptick closer to 65 level with a stop above the highs of 2018. Thank you very much, dear friends. The Future Trend channel will be again with you tomorrow morning. Thank you very much and bye bye for now.